Uncle Mud here with Rodney, who has been working on this bad boy buggy for several trips here to Eaton Labs, and finally has, knock on something, everything working pretty well. A new set of batteries, properly programmed dual controllers, wires with the proper ends on them. What else have we put in here?
Oh, we just thought the rear ends were bad, so we tore both rear ends apart and checked all the bearings in them and put them back together. We oiled them. We've greased them. We serviced the brakes. We serviced the lights. We've serviced batteries, put new controllers in. All kinds of fun stuff.
Sort of things that if you want to have an electric vehicle for your homestead, you should probably do on a regular basis, right?
Yes, a lot of this was just general maintenance that had been neglected for a few years.
So let's see how it works now. Before, it wouldn't even go up this hill, right?
Yes.
All right.
Quick lesson on how to drive an electric vehicle. Make sure it is in neutral before you turn the key on. Then pick which direction you want to go. You go forward. There is lights there. It's just too light out to see it.
It's very dim. Yes.
Very dim. Take off the parking brake. And away we go.
We didn't put a gun in our gun rack. Is it going to make it work okay?
It'll still work.
It'll still work even without a gun in our gun rack? All right. Well, our camouflage should make it so that we can't see where the car is, where the bad boy is, right?
Nobody can see us. We're going to be camouflaged.
Right. We're camouflaged, yes. That's an important thing to have in a golf cart. Oh, well, this was a short trip.
Yes.
So whose buggy is that?
That is Nine's.
Oh, and 9 has left the building.
Yes, she's just gone off the bronze.
Oh, wow. What a short trip that was.
And I don't know of an alternative route. Do you?
I don't.
Oh. Yes, there... I don't know if I can get there. You quit recording for a second. I don't...
All right, so now we're going to see if we can squeak through. Okay, you have about 5 inches over here.
How about the roof?
Yes, the roof is. Oh, I can't see the roof from here. You are very close.
I took my Duff Safe driving class.
Yeah. All right, let's try this again. All right. Well, this is definitely going up this hill better than last time I tried it. So we got new batteries in here now, huh?
Yep.
New
controller, new batteries.
So same amount of storage as before, only more because the batteries are newer?
Yeah, the batteries are newer and they've been maintained. Sorry, it's a little bumpy, but there's kind of a minimum speed required to keep
it going up. Yeah. But it is going. That's the important bit.
Yes.
Ooh, it's already cooler up here.
A lot windier also.
Yeah. Wow, this buggy sure does like actually having a good battery. A lot of smoke over there, all around us. Kind of orange sky up there. But it sure is nice to have it below 90.
Yeah, it's a mere 85 degrees currently.
It's only 85 degrees. I'll tell you what, I'll take a dry 85 degrees over Ohio 85 degrees any day.
This is the top of the hill for the buggy.
Nice.
From here up.
This is quite beautiful up here.
Yeah.
So congratulations, Bad Boy Buggy, for actually getting up here now.
Bad Boy Buggy.
Yeah. So what's your review on the Bad Boy Buggy as a piece of equipment?
It's definitely an early generation of electric vehicles and has some engineering design flaws. Ranging anywhere from when you turn the wheel hard to the left, the tires actually rub into the motor. The motor casing apart. But if you're doing around a campground or just around your farm that's pretty well maintained, it should do you well.
But this type of thing that we just did will beat it up pretty quick.
Yeah.
So
Terrain around here is pretty hard for it.
So don't try this at home, kids, unless you've actually got a fairly manicured farm or yard or whatever. It's supposed to look like it can take on anything, but it doesn't have a very long life if it does that. Yeah, but it sure beats walking up here.
Oh, most definitely. And in the background, you can hear the neighbor's sawmill running.
All right. Can we hear our sawmill running?
No, our sawmill is sad.
Oh.
Yes, if we were here last night, there was 2 tents and a hammock that have been set up here for the PTC.
Yeah.
So some of our illustrious campers hiked up this hill a couple times a day.
Probably. It gives them good cardio compared to us, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with sleeping next to the recycling bin. That's pretty steep.
Yep.
So that's where we came up. Came all the way around though. This is a fun land formation. Just poking up here in the middle of nothing. The breeze is nice. The smoke from the fire over there isn't as nice, but
Yeah, I'm trying to see if I don't see any orange spots.
nope, that's a good sign. It's fascinating to me how these pine trees can pretty much live with like almost no nutrient. And so little water so much of the year. Wonder what they were digging over here.
One of the interesting things about this place, you can see where somebody dug years after they did it.
Yeah. Yeah. Where we live, it gets grown over pretty quick. All right. Let's see how Bad Boy Buggy likes to go down the hill.
Oh, you'll love it.
Yes.
Bad Boy Buggy has 70% regeneration rate.
Ooh. So it means it's like not gonna try to go down super fast and kill us?
Exactly.
All right. Yep, that's reassuring.
Well, there's no brakes. Look, my feet are up here.
Meaning there's no brakes at all, or meaning you're not using
I'm
it?
not using any brakes.
Okay, that's more reassuring. How high do you think we climbed with this?
Oh, about 500-600 feet.
Nice. Well, I think getting this thing running was definitely a success.
Yes, it'll definitely make the life of the boots here tremendously easier.
Yeah.
Because they were holding their little wagon of water up here once a week.
What were they watering up here?
Honestly not sure.
Ah.
Because I wasn't walking up to check.
Yeah. Good cell phone reception at least though right here, right?
Yeah. But you can see the burned trees from the last forest fire that went through here.
Yeah. Yeah, I used to hate how gloomy Ohio is. And then I realized that places with sunnier weather are often on fire.
Yeah.
So,
And they're gloomy now.
yeah, so it's gloomy here definitely, which gives us a little bit of shade, but it's kind of an ominous shade. It's like when I lived in Illinois and the sky turned green because there's a tornado coming. That's not like, oh, it's gonna rain. It's like, oh crap.
It's gonna rain.
Yeah, so we were just up there, way up there.
car at?
I don't know. I thought she was up here. But looks like I was wrong. Which is probably good because that other car is still in the way. And her car isn't as skinny as this.
Don't mind though, I'm gonna take a little detour.
See where that goes? Yeah. Looks like it goes up. Ish.
Looks like it goes to the sawdust pile.
Ooh.
I was wondering where the sawdust pile was. I heard rumors of it.
The rumors of the mysterious sawdust pile. Like the lost city of gold.
Yes.
What treasures do you think we will find in this sawdust pile?
I don't know. But
Yeah.
I'm not sure I'm gonna go look either.
Yeah, okay. That was enough looking. This is a good view of the freeway deleter right there.
Bad boy Buggy won't do that trick.
Something about wanting to climb up that wall in reverse. It just says, no, I don't think so.
Yeah.
I suppose we could forgive it that.
Yeah, 2 tires were spinning.
Yeah.
That's all we can expect out of her.
Yeah, but 2 tires weren't spinning the last time you tried this.
Yes.
Well, Christina's down there, so it's like the Montana version of where on earth is Carmen San Diego.
That's not good. Oops. Okay.
False alarm.
False alarm. Somebody bounced and hit the reverse switch into neutral.
Yep. You want me to spot you?
Yeah, I'm definitely pushing safety factors here.
Yeah, we might want to wait this thing for a bit. Let's see. Well, I'm filming you. Are you filming me?
Yep.
All right. Well, film me filming you.